Toma muita cachaça? Hein? Comeu tanto, não foi, pai?
Oopsie. Somebody's got the hiccups. Say hi, Mommy. How? What's today? How old is the little guy today?
He's 1 day old. Can I say that?
Yeah?
1 day old. Let's say hello. Say, I was trying to eat. Try to read from my book. 2 hours. Nothing. So I got hello. Hello.
He drank the whole thing.
No. Stay
And
like
now he's
this.
got the hiccups. And he's gonna go to sleep.
You probably have a hangover.
Too much cachaça.
Say bye bye, Daddy-o. Bye
Bye
bye,
bye.
Daddy-o.